In this video, we'll explore the difference between equality operators. Equal is not the same as double equal, which is not the same as triple equal. Understanding the subtle distinctions between them is crucial when working with conditionals and variable assignments in your code. So let's dive in. In JavaScript, there are two types of equality operators: the loose equality operator, which is double equal, and the strict equality operator, triple equal. The loose equality operator checks if two values are equal in value, but it does not consider the data type. If the values being compared have different data types, JavaScript will try to convert one of the values to match the other one before making the comparison. So let's try an example. Console log 3 as a number equal to 3 as a string. Let's run the program. And you will see that it gives us true. In this example, although the first operand is a number and the second operand is a string, the loose equality operator converts the string 3 to a number and compares it to the number 3. Since the values are equal, the result is true. Then we have strict equality, which uses three equal signs. The strict equality operator checks if two values are equal in both value and data type. No type conversion is performed during the comparison. So let's see an example. If you try to compare the number 3 with the string 3 using the strict equality operator and then run the program. First save the file and then run the program. You will see that it's false, because in this example the strict equality operator does not perform any type of conversion, so it compares the number 3 and the string 3 directly. Since the data types are different, the result is false. Now the single equal sign is the assignment operator. The assignment operator is used just to assign a value to a variable. It's not used for comparison purposes. For example, when we declare a variable, let age equal to 30, we just use the equal sign so that the variable age is now equal to the value 30. Generally, it's recommended to use the strict equality operator, meaning the triple equal sign, when comparing values in JavaScript. This is because the loose equality operator can produce unexpected results due to type coercion. For example, if we try to log if true is equal to 1 and run the program, you'll see that it's true, because the loose equality operator converts the boolean true to the number 1, resulting in a true comparison. And this might not always be the intended behavior. So using the strict equality operator helps you avoid such issues. So if we add another equal sign and run the program, you will see that it's false. Understanding the difference between the equality operators and the assignment operator is vital for writing accurate and efficient JavaScript code. By knowing when to use each of them, you'll minimize potential errors and create more reliable programs.